Good day. My name is Arnold Zuluaga. In this moment, I'm explaining the step for export. This is a conversation with customer, supplier, warehouse, and director, and forward agent. Customer, hello, I am in Colombia, and after of check your brochure, I will finally place an order to export to the US. Supplier, perfect. We are waiting for you in our office to make your order official and determine the necessary documents to work up the business. We are taking into account the order. We will make an international sale contract to close the business and continue with the rest of the procedures. I showed you I show you the certificate of origin and phytosanitary weight of our products. These are being attached to the rest of the documents. Perfect. The documentation complies with the requirements of my country. Let's continue with the process. Remember that the container is CIP. With our freight forwarder, we are making the international transport contract. The warehouse is preparing the order for its packaging. We are preparing the order for export. This is the packing list. We are coordinating the export with the best route and shipping company with the best freight rate. We are requesting the bill of loading and white bill to transfer the container to the port. I give you the export declaration and the commercial invoice and the insurance policy. I am making the import declaration. It is the conversation between different actors in the export process. Thank you.